Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the fastest birds of prey. Well, not all of them, but only the top 3. Let's start. First, fastest bird of prey in the world is the Peregrine Falcon. Peregrine falcons are one of the most amazing creatures on earth. So, let's see some facts about them. Peregrine falcons have a blue-gray back, buff underparts with a bit of rusty hue, and thin black or dark brown belly, with a black head and distinctive white patches around the neck. The wing feathers are dark brown or olive brown with lighter edges. In flight, the falcon's underwings are grayish with black barring, with black tips on the wing feathers visible from below. The falcon has a black beak with a yellow eye ring. And see, yellow legs and feet that stand in contrast to its dark plumage. It also has long black talons that help it grip onto its prey. It swoops down from great height. A peregrine falcon, when it's diving, it's known as swooping or stooping. ST or SW. The word peregrine falcon comes from a Latin word peregrinus, which means wanderer. Now let's talk about the golden eagle. The golden eagle is the second fastest bird in the world, after the peregrine falcon. The golden eagle has a wingspan of between 180 to 220 centimeters and can weigh up to a hefty 5 kilograms. As with falconiforms, you pronounce that. It's really hard. Right. Females are considerably larger than males. In the case of the golden eagle, they weigh 1/4 to 1/3 again as much as male birds. Their plumage colors range from black-brown to dark brown, with a striking golden buff crown and nape, which give the bird its name. Their upper wings also have an irregular, lighter area. Young golden eagles resemble adults. However, they have a duller, more mottled appearance. Also, they have a white banded tail and a white patch at the carpal dome that gradually disappear with every molt until full adult plumage is reached in the 5th year. Golden eagles have a square-shaped tail and legs that are fully covered with feathers. Now let's talk about the white-throated needletail, also known as the needle-tailed swift. White-throated needletail is a large swift, gray-brown overall with white throat and undertail. White-throated needletails are native to Eurasia from Eastern Europe to China and South Malaysia and Australia. It breeds in the northern parts of its range and migrates south. Occurs as a visitor to North America only in the outer Aleutians in the springtime. Thank you, and thank you.